to the next juncture of tonight's event. Right, Ate Erna?
Yes, indeed. And for tonight's event, no, dili lamang yun ingon nga yelang ta, naapot yun tayo modern dance, kung diin, kita tanan ma-excite, kita tanan maka-witness sa nagkalain-laing genre. So are we all ready? Ala, walay tawo.
Nakaluya.
Once again, are we all ready? There you go. That's the energy that we are looking for. And with that, AJ, hit it on. Sabi lang,
Ay, andam na Jod. Karon para ipaila-ila ang first contestant sa Modern Dance Competition.
So yeah, there's also a Ferris wheel down there.
Let us all
That
give
blue.
a round of applause to the
That blue one.
women of Containing.